Hello everyone, welcome back to video number 3. Today we're going to talk about promoting your Autism Awareness Month. You need to think about a plan on what you would like to do for the whole month. For example, you can choose to do something daily, weekly, or just once a month to promote autism awareness. It is up to you. You can brainstorm on what types of things you would like to do, and maybe that will help you decide how often you want to provide something for your audience. For Autism Awareness Month, which is the month of April, there are about 4 weeks in the month. Each week, you create a different thing to present on the morning news at school. So, one day, it may be showing a video that you found on YouTube about autism. Another day, it could be a group of you recording a skit that you could have shown on the morning news. Another day, it could be the counselors and teachers discussing something about autism, where you have provided them with the discussion points so they can talk with the class. You could also do something fun at lunch one day. Maybe the skit is live. Maybe you have poems that some of your group wrote. The sky is the limit here, folks. Let your imagination fly. For my solo word, I provided the elementary school with different things to play on the morning news. One was a video of me explaining what Autism Awareness Month was, and also giving the students a little teaser for the Autism Awareness event. The next week, I provided the school with some video links that they could show during the morning news. The third week, I provided handouts for the students. One of these handouts was a crossword puzzle about autism. This type of idea will be discussed more in video number 4. Then, in the fourth week, I had my version of the Celebrate Autism event. For the middle school, where I was attending, I had created talking points for the students and teachers. We also played videos for the kids at the middle school level and had announced that there was a project on creating posters about autism after school that I encouraged everyone to get involved with. In the link below are some of the items that I suggested for the elementary school and the middle school. This is just to get your ideas flowing for your autism awareness event. For the puzzle pieces that we created, we posted them in the hallways around the elementary and middle school. To organize this task, I created a sign of genius that had listed the phrases that we should put on each puzzle piece. Students were able to select which phrase they liked the most and were encouraged to write on a poster board. I had created templates for each of the puzzle pieces that I had created. The students then had to trace the sample puzzle pieces, cut out the puzzle pieces, and then draw on it. They could just put the phrase or they could add drawings too. In the links below, I have listed suggestions on phrases. There are many symbols for autism. Do some research on the internet and see what symbol fits the way you see autism, and you can use those symbols instead of the puzzle pieces. Once you have a plan on what types of things you would like to do in the month of April, you then need to speak with your administrators. If you're doing something at the school, you need to verify that you will have the support in your endeavors, and also make sure no one else is planning to coordinate Autism Awareness Month. Once you get feedback from your administrators, you can then start the process of breaking into groups or doing each task together. For the poster boards, we offered for students to stay after school during late bus days, or they could take the poster board home and work on it there. The poster board project was considered by the National Junior Honor Society as service hours, so pending on group's approval for service hours. You can promote that to the students as an added bonus for helping. Wow, this video will probably be the hardest part out of the first 6 videos that I'm creating. It will probably take you quite a bit of time to create your plan and execute the items that you would like to prepare for Autism Awareness Month. So, to review, schedule with the administrators, divide up tasks between groups, and research your tasks, then execute. I know you guys can do this. Start brainstorming. See you all in the next video.